Eggshells are rich in calcium. Drying and crushing them into powder and then mixing them in with the soil in your garden will help boost the essential soil minerals. I enjoy doing this to tomato and pepper plants. It gives them a boost. Another thing that we use eggshells for is the ducks. When their calcium levels get low, they will begin eating their own eggs. So we will occasionally throw in a little crushed eggshell powder to help them have optimal calcium levels. You can do this for dogs as well. You can also drop an eggshell into some apple cider vinegar for a couple of days and then apply it to your skin for irritations or itches.